Have you ever wondered why planes do not crash? From the majestic jumbo jets to the agile regional planes, these flying marvels traverse our skies every day. But have you ever paused and wondered, with so many planes in the air, why don't we hear about crashes more often? Welcome to our channel, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of aviation safety. Let's uncover the secrets that keep these giants airborne and safe. Well, let me tell you all about it. In this video, we're going to explore the amazing technology called TCAS, which plays a crucial role in preventing collisions in the sky. So buckle up and get ready to learn. First things first, let's talk about TCAS. TCAS stands for Traffic Collision Avoidance System. It's a technology that helps pilots and air traffic controllers steer clear of potential collisions in the airspace. Simply put, it keeps planes from crashing into each other. Now, you might be thinking, how does TCAS work? Great question. TCAS relies on a network of radar systems that track the location of all the planes in the sky. These radars communicate with each other and collect data about the speed, altitude, and direction of each aircraft. Once the radar systems have gathered all this information, they send it to the TCAS unit on board the plane. This unit analyzes the data and determines if there is any potential conflict with other aircraft in the vicinity. If TCAS detects a potential collision, it initiates a series of protocols to avoid it. One of the primary ways it does this is through the use of traffic advisories, TUSH. TUSH provide pilots with information about other aircraft in close proximity. The TCAS unit will say something like, traffic, to alert the pilots. But TUSH are just the first step. If the threat of a collision becomes imminent, TCAS takes it up a notch and issues a resolution advisory, RAS. RAS provides specific instructions to pilots on how to avoid a potential crash. These instructions can involve climbing, descending, or making turns, depending on the situation. Now you might be wondering, what happens if two planes both receive RAS that contradict each other? Well, that's where the beauty of TCAS lies. If two planes are on a collision course and both receive RAS, the technology is designed to coordinate with the other aircraft's TCAS unit. This coordination ensures that both planes receive RAS that prioritize the safety of both flights. In simpler terms, TCAS allows planes to talk to each other and negotiate the best path to avoid a collision. It's like having a virtual air traffic controller on board, guiding pilots to safety. But TCAS isn't the only technology at play here. Another essential aspect of preventing crashes is the work of air traffic controllers. These professionals are responsible for maintaining safe distances between planes and providing guidance to pilots. Air traffic controllers use radar and other tools to monitor the airspace and communicate with pilots. They work in control towers and centers, carefully coordinating the movement of planes to avoid any potential conflicts. TCAS and air traffic controllers work together, creating a multi-layered safety net that ensures the sky remains accident-free. It's worth mentioning that despite all these safety measures, accidents can still happen. However, the combination of TCAS and skilled air traffic controllers has dramatically reduced the chances of crashes occurring. So, next time you're flying in a plane, remember that TCAS is one of the reasons why you're safe up there. The technology's ability to communicate with other planes and help pilots avoid potential collisions is truly remarkable. In conclusion, TCAS is a remarkable technology that plays a vital role in preventing plane crashes. By utilizing a network of radars, analyzing flight data, and issuing TUSH and RAS, TCAS helps pilots make the right decisions to avoid collisions. Together with the expertise of air traffic controllers, TCAS keeps our skies safe and secure. So the next time you board a plane, you can rest assured that you're in good hands, thanks to TCAS. The harmony between human expertise and advanced technology ensures that the act of flying, which once seemed impossible, is now one of the safest modes of transportation. We've journeyed through the rigorous processes, innovations, and systems that make this possible. If you found this insightful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, and for more intriguing deep dives, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep soaring and stay curious.